Good morning. We will be discussing the newest critical illness plan, lifetime critical illness plan of AXA, the Health Max Elite. Okay? So today, we are able to prepare a proposal for a 25 years old, female non-smoker. Congratulations, you have chosen the right partner to help you have a head start in protecting your health. AXA Philippines is a formidable synergy between two financial giants, the AXA Group and the Metrobank Group. So we are happy to share with you the details of your chosen health plan, the Health Max Elite 10 Pay. So this is a 10 years to pay critical illness plan, no? And this plan is AXA's most extensive and future-proof health and life insurance plan, protecting you from 150 plus critical conditions across different stages of your illness. So, ito po ay full critical or lifetime critical illness plan, no, na may pinakamaraming critical illness covered, no, in the industry. So these are the benefits. Ito yung pinaka-summary, no? So the basic sum insured is 1.2 million. That's the coverage, no? Once the client has been diagnosed with the major critical conditions, major, ibig sabihin ito po yung mga late stages, usually mga stage 3 and 4, no, the client will receive 1.2 million in case the insured is diagnosed with any of the 77 specified major critical illness. So, napakadami po niyan. I will discuss later on, no? Now, ang kagandahan nito, no, not just only once, no? So, ang claim dito, once na na-claim na yung isang major critical illness, you still have up to 4. So, bali total of 4, no? Another 3, no? Na major critical conditions. You can claim, no? Additional 3, no? Once you get diagnosed with any of the 3 covered conditions like cancer, stroke, and heart attack. So, lifetime yan. So, for example, si client, kumuha ng policy after a few years, nagkaroon siya ng cancer, no? And then gumaling. After another 3 years, no? Nagkaroon naman siya ng stroke, no? And then, naka-recover. So, another 1.2 million yon, bali 2.4 na. And then, after 3 years, 2 to 3 years, bumalik si cancer. No, what will happen? Makaka-claim ulit ng 1.2 million. So, up to 4 claims. No? Ng 1.2 million. In other insurances or in other policies kasi, once na na-claim mo na yung major critical illness, the policy will be terminated na. Kasi nagamit mo na yung pinaka-benefits ng policy. But here, no, up to 4 claims. Now, paano naman kung minor critical conditions, no? In case of minor critical illness, no, the client can claim, no, 20%, which is kung 1.2 million, 20% of that is 240,000, no? Up to 2 claims. So usually ito yung mga early stages, no? And then, there's also pre-early conditions. Yun ang kagandahan dito. Even yung hindi pa siya critical, early conditions pa lang, you will get the benefit na. Merong 120,000 that you will be getting or receiving in advance, no, in case that the insured is diagnosed with any of the 6 specified pre-early conditions. No? So that's one claim. Okay? Usually kasi bago mag-critical yan, maging minor, early conditions pa siya. Now, in case that the client will be confined in an ICU, no? Ayan, with at least 5 consecutive days, no, sa ICU confinement, meron din siyang marireceive na 120,000. So, for example, pre-early condition and then na ICU, makaka-receive siya ng both, no, 240,000. So, itong crisis assistance natin, yung sa ICU, no, dapat minimum 5 days, dalawang claim yan during the lifetime of the policy. No? Now, ito naman ang kagandahan. Eh, paano, Miss Lai, kung nakaklaim na ako ng pre-early conditions? O, tapos, gumaling naman ako and then I live long. No? What will be the benefit? Diyan papasok ang Advanced Health Fund. Ang Advanced Health Fund, no, it's about receiving cash endowments, no, or payouts, which you may use for health expenses such as outpatient treatments or medicines or bahala ka kung saan mo pwedeng gamitin yan. Basta at the age of 70, no, you will be entitled, no, if ever na wala pang nare-receive na major critical illness, you will be entitled to receive 240,000. Now, once you reach 75 years old, you can receive 180,000. At the age of 80, 120,000. At the age of 85, 60,000. Now, so despite the fact na na-claim mo na yan lahat, no, at the age of 86 onwards at up to 100 years old, meron ka pa ring remaining na coverage na 600,000. So yun yung kagandahan, 'di ba? Nakuha mo na in advance, no? Kahit wala kang critical illness, no, na yung benefit, meron pang matitira, meron pang remaining. So guaranteed yung 1.2 million, no? Paano pag at the age of 86 magkaroon ng critical conditions major o makaka-claim ka ng remaining from the 1.2 na 600,000. Paano kung after 2 years nagkaroon ng cancer? What will happen? The client can still claim 1.2 million. Sabi ko nga up to 4 claims ng major critical illness during the lifetime of the policy, no? Now, paano naman, no, kung in case of death? 'Di ba, we don't know what will happen, 'di ba? So, in case of death, if case of uh the untimely demise of the client, your loved ones will receive 1.2 million, 'di ba? So, this plan will give you assurance that whatever happens, no, in case of pre-early conditions, meron kang benefit. Pag in case of crisis or ICU confinement, you will have a benefit. In case of minor critical illness, we have the biggest or the widest range of critical illness covered for minor, no? Critical conditions, you will receive 240,000 up to 2 claims. And then, for major critical conditions, you will receive 1.2 million. And you can claim up to 4 claims during the lifetime of the policy, given na merong 2 to 3 years interval. No? So, if it's the same, for example, cancer and then cancer, dapat 3 years. No? Ang pagitan nila. No? Now, in case naman na wag naman sana, no, mawala or in case of death of the client, kasi we don't know what will happen. Kunwari accidental death or sudden death, no, 1.2 million will be given to the family members, sa beneficiaries. Okay? So, walang tapon. Basically, this plan gives you zero waste, total, no, maximize, no, ang benefit, no, of this plan. Napakalawak po ng coverage niya. And all of these benefits, no? Ayan. All of these benefits, ito po yung payout. Ayan. So, ito yung accumulated health fund natin. O yan, nakalagay dyan. So, it's 240, 420, 540, 600, no? There's also guaranteed cash value. Pero syempre, we don't want to discuss that kasi the intention of getting this plan is for health purposes, 'di ba? Pero this one gives you the assurance that kahit anong mangyari, 'di ba, meron kang cash value of the policy, no? Okay. And then, ayan. So, these are the benefits, no? Or these are the illnesses covered for the major critical conditions. Diba? So, there's cancer. Yun ang kagandahan dito. All types of cancer is covered, no? Kasi hindi siya naka-itemize kung anong klaseng cancer. And then there's carcinoma in situ of breast tested with radical mastectomy and radiotherapy, acute lymphocytic leukemia, and Burkitt lymphoma. 'Di ba? And then there's also critical conditions related to organ failure. So there's Addison's disease, irreversible kidney failure, liver disease, coma, end-stage lung disease, loss of independent existence, major organ transplant, corneal transplant, o 'di ba? Sa ibang critical illness, walang corneal transplant, even yung small bowel transplant, 'di ba? Group number three is critical conditions related to heart and blood vessels, no? So that includes cardiomyopathy, coronary artery disease requiring surgery, dissecting the aortic aneurysm, heart attack, heart valve surgery, surgery to aorta, and many more, no? Even primary pulmonary arterial hypertension. The group 4, no, these are the critical conditions related to the nervous system. So there's amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, Apallic syndrome, bacterial meningitis, brain damage, blindness, encephalitis, paralysis, polio, stroke, 'di ba? Tuberculosis, meningitis, marami po 'yan, no? And group 5, critical conditions related to the blood naman. So that includes AIDS, no? Uh, due to blood transfusion, occupationally acquired AIDS, and severe primary thrombocythemia, no? And also aplastic anemia, no? Another group, which is group 6, is are the critical conditions related to digestive system. So that includes chronic relapsing pancreatitis, fulminant hepatitis, severe Crohn's disease, severe ulcerative colitis, no? Even acute necrohemorrhagic pancreatitis and total pancreatectomy, no? So ang dami, no? Actually maraming included dito na dun sa ordinary health max or sa first health max ay hindi kasama, no? Then group number 7, critical conditions related to immunology and rheumatology. So nandiyan na po si severe rheumatoid arthritis, si lupus, no? Scleroderma, temporal and cranial arteritis, psoriasis arthritis, no? Yung mga yan, no? And then group number 8, critical conditions related to neurological degeneration, no? Ayan. So, severe dementia, no? Dati kasi Alzheimer's disease pa dapat. Pero ngayon, even dementia, covered na siya. Basta severe. And then there's Parkinson's disease, no? And then group 9, critical conditions related to musculoskeletal system. So dito, nandyan yung amputation of both teeth due to complication from diabetes. And then there's major burns, necrotizing fasciitis, severance of limbs, accidental fracture of spinal column, surgery for idiopathic scoliosis, and severe osteoarthritis. O, 'di ba? So, mas madami, mas malawak yung coverage niya. And then, may group 10 din tayo. These are the other critical conditions like deafness, elephantiasis, loss of speech, terminal illness, Ebola, hemorrhagic fever, no? And then loss of one limb and sight of one eye. 'Di ba? So, napakadami. These are 77, no? Major critical conditions. And this is claimable for 1.2 million. Aside from this, there's 73 minor critical conditions. This is a claimable for 20%, which is 240,000 up to 2 claims, no? It can be higher kung tataasan mo yung sum insured mo, gagawin mong 2 million, syempre, mas mataas din yung coverage dito, no? So, depende sa sum insured na pwede mong i-avail. You can avail up to 10 million, no? Oo, for the Health Max Elite. Okay? So, for the minor critical conditions, nandyan yung carcinoma in situ. Ito yung mga early stage cancer or stage 0. No? Early stage cancer of prostate. There's liver surgery, major organ or transplant or bone marrow transplant. Kahit nasa waitlist ka pa lang, no? Uh, meron ka ng benefit. Surgical removal of one lung or one kidney, chronic kidney impairment, or coma for 48 hours. O, 'di ba? So, kung yung ano natin na merong ICU, yung crisis assistance for 5 days, no, definitely makaka-claim ka na rin ng minor critical illness, no? And then, coverage also for angioplasty, insertion of pacemaker and defibrillator, aortic aneurysm, early cardiomyopathy, no, keyhole coronary bypass surgery. So marami to. And then there's group 4 related to nervous system. So brain aneurysm surgery, cerebral shunt insertion, severe epilepsy, akinetic mutism, lock-in syndrome, bacterial meningitis with reversible neurological deficit. No, loss of sight in one eye, optic nerve atrophy with low vision, head trauma requiring open craniotomy, early motor neuron disease, poliomyelitis, early bulbar bulbar palsy. No? Next is the group 5, conditions related to blood. So there's acute aplastic anemia, no? And then there's also related to digestive system. There's hepatitis with cirrhosis. Cirrhosis due to complication from fatty liver. Medyo ano yan, parang maraming nagkakaroon ng ganyang conditions nowadays. Acute necrohemorrhagic pancreatitis, no, yung mga yan. Okay? And then number 7, group number 7 is it's the minor conditions related to immunology and rheumatology. So we have the SLE or systemic lupus erythematosus, no? And then chronic autoimmune hepatitis, no? And then number 8, minor conditions related to neurological degeneration. So moderate severe dementias, moderate severe Parkinson's disease, yung mga yan covered, no? And then severance of one limb, no? And loss of independent existence. Ito yung mga intermediate stage lamang. No? And then, amputation of one foot due to complication from diabetes. No? Before wala yan. So, ngayon po ay covered na yan for the minor critical illness. No? And many more. So, pwede nyong i-check po itong ating proposal. And then, facial reconstructive surgery due to injury for injury due to accident, moderately severe burns, no, yung mga yan, and then cochlear implant surgery, yung mga yan, severe psychiatric illness. So, wala pa akong nakikitaan na other critical conditions or critical illness plan na merong coverage for the psychiatric illnesses, no? And then group number 12, no? Dengue hemorrhagic fever for kids. Yan mga yan. Insulin-dependent diabetes mellitus, no? Kawasaki disease, severe asthma. Yan, napakadami, no? So these are 73 minor critical conditions. These are the top minor critical illness in the Philippines, no? Now, for the pre-early conditions, ito yung sinasabi ko na may 120,000, no? Hindi pa siya critical, pero pre-early na siya. So, we have the removal of benign tumor, no, not necessarily na brain. So, benign tumor. And then we have the, ano ba to, glomerulonephritis with nephrotic syndrome, type 1 juvenile spinal amyotrophy, depression requiring ECT, mild schizophrenia, and mild bipolar disorder. O, 'di ba? And then, so, yun na po, no? All of these benefits, napaka-comprehensive. Actually, this is the most comprehensive that I have seen so far, no? In the industry, no? So, for 25 years old na female, this is only 69,708 per year. Very affordable and this is only for 10 years. Available din ng 20 years pero syempre mas makaka-save ka for 10 years kasi magkano lang to 697 ang total, 'di ba? Contract price kung tutuusin. Pero no, ito po I mean, covered ka na lifetime. So, ma'am, do I have to wait na ma-fully paid yan bago ako ma-cover? No, no. In fact, alam ko 60 days lang to. After 60 days, if you've been diagnosed with any critical illness, basta hindi pre-existing at mapatunayan yun, no, that there's no concealment upon application, you get the benefit. No? This is also payable per semi-annual, quarterly, and monthly. Pero kung meron kang ipon, go for annual. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, no, mas makakatipid kapag annual, discounted siya. Pag monthly, meron siyang modal factor, no? So, eto na po 'yon, no? Very comprehensive. Major critical illness, 1.2 million, up to 4 claims. Dalawang minor critical illness na 240,000. May pre-early conditions na 120,000. May crisis assistance na 120 up to 2 claims. You can do advance health fund, pwedeng maging retirement payout mo yan pag if you live long and you live healthy. And then there's also that benefit na 1.2 million. This is the best plan so far in the market. no? So everyone, this is Talkmax Elite.